Optimism and Arbitrum airdrops were one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history, with some wallets receiving thousands and even $10,000s of dollars worth of airdrop. But if you missed those two, don't worry, because in this video we're going to be talking about another potential layer 2 airdrop. We want to be early adopters on that to potentially qualify for an airdrop, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And this layer 2 solution is called Mantle. It's built by BitDAO, which is the decentralized autonomous organization for a very well-known centralized crypto exchange called Bybit. This airdrop hasn't been confirmed yet by BitDAO, but they've raised over $200 million worth of funds for the development of this layer 2 solution. And one of the team members of BitDAO leaked in Discord that there is going to be some token allocation for the community. And as always, it's going to be testnet interaction, so you don't have to invest any of your actual funds into potentially qualifying for this airdrop. So let me show you how you can potentially qualify for it. And so step one is going to be a very simple step. You're just going to have to join Discord and Twitter, because you're going to need to use it to complete some of the Zealy tasks at the very end. So let's just go ahead and do that right away. So you're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to the Discord invite page. And please make sure that when you accept the invite, if you see an error, just go ahead into your browser settings and clean the cache and cookies for that website. And then you're going to click on the second link, which is the Twitter, and it's going to take you to the Mantle Twitter account, and you're just going to click follow. After that, we're moving to step number 2, and step number 2 is going to be to request some Girly Test ETH tokens from the faucet. And we're going to need that Girly ETH tokens because we're going to mint the Testnet tokens, and we're going to have to pay some Girly gas fees that is going to be paid in the Girly ETH. So what you're going to do for that, you're going to go to girlyfaucet.com right over here. And the first thing that you're going to need to do, you're going to need to sign into Alchemy account. So I'm already signed in, but it's going to say sign into Alchemy account. So if you don't have an Alchemy account, just go ahead and sign up. It's pretty easy to do, and then sign back in. And once you're back on this page, what you need to do, you're going to need to paste your wallet address. So you're going to go to your MetaMask, and you're going to go ahead and copy this wallet address, and you're going to paste it right over here. But the requirements to request Girly ETH always change. So at the moment of recording of this video, you need to have the mainnet ETH balance of 0.001 ETH. So you need to have actual ETH mainnet balance of this amount of ETH in your wallet, and this is done to prevent bots and abuse the Girly faucet. So make sure that you have some ETH in your mainnet. And then once you pasted the address, pass quickly through CAPTCHA and click send me ETH, and it's gonna send you some ETH. But sometimes there are some issues with this faucet, so if it doesn't work right away for you, just give it some time and then try again after a while. Moving on to step number 3. Step number 3 is going to be to add Mantle Testnet to your MetaMask wallet. So to do that, you're gonna go through this link, which is gonna take you to chainlist.org. And it's going to take you directly to Mantle Testnet. If for some reason that didn't work, just go ahead and search for a Mantle. Just type in Mantle right here, but make sure that you check this check mark, include testnets, otherwise it won't pop up. But since this is a direct link, it's taking you straight here. And what you're going to do over here, let me actually disconnect my wallet to show you. So once you're over here, you're going to click connect wallet, and you're going to click next. You're going to click connect. After that, it's going to say that it's going to add network to your MetaMask wallet. So you're going to click approve, and you're done. If you go now back to your MetaMask wallet, now you can see that you're a Mantle Testnet. And you're not going to see any bit yet because we're going to request some bit in the next step. But since I already have it, you can see my balance. But this is what we're going to do next. So step number 4. We're going to request some Girly Test Bit tokens from the faucet. So to do that, you're going to go to faucet.testnet.mantle.xyz. And once you're over here, the first thing you're going to do, you're going to connect your wallet. You're going to click next, connect. Make sure that your MetaMask is on Girly Test Network, and make sure that this says Girly Testnet as well. After that, the first step that we're going to do, we're going to authenticate with Twitter. So we're going to click authenticate. And once we're on the Twitter page, it's going to say authorize app, and that's what we're going to click. And it's going to say authenticated and your Twitter name. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going to go to step number 2, which is mint with your address. So your address should already be pre-populated. If it doesn't happen, then you can go back to your MetaMask, and you can just copy this address and paste it over here. And then mean token amount, so enter the token amount. You can enter between 1 and 1000, so I suggest that you get more, 1000, and then we're going to click mint token, going to confirm, and submit it. It's going to say, please expect beat to your address within half an hour, but for me, it took maybe like a couple of minutes, so you can just check back in a couple of minutes, but it can be up to half an hour. Now, if you want to see the balance of your Beat Testnet tokens, you can add this address. Just copy this address from this Google Docs and go to your MetaMask, click right here, import tokens, paste the address, and in my case, I already have it added, so it's not going to add it again, but after that, you're just going to click add custom token, and you should see your balance right over here. Now, step number 5, we're going to bridge these Bit tokens from Girly Test Network to Mantle Test Network. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to bridge.testnet.mantle.xyz/deposit, click connect wallet. We're going to select MetaMask, and it's going to connect, and it's going to show your wallet address right here. After that, we're going to make sure that we're staying on Girly Test Network as well as on MetaMask. We're on Girly Test Network as well. Over here from the drop down, we're going to select bit, and we're going to put the amount, how much we're going to bridge to the Mantle testnet. So let's say 100. Over here, it's going to say Mantle testnet. At first, you're going to have to approve. So I don't have that button anymore, but it's going to be 2 buttons, approve and deposit. So you're going to hit approve, and you're going to approve the use of Bit tokens from your wallet. After that, you're going to have this single button that says deposit. So I'm going to just click that, and you're going to click deposit. Now approve that in MetaMask, and it's going to take probably a couple of minutes to send it over to Mantle testnet. All right, and the next step, step number 6, is going to be to interact with decentralized applications on Mantle testnet. So we're going to interact with 3 applications. In this case, the first one is going to be testnet.mantleswap.org/swap. So we're going to go there, and we're going to click connect wallet. We're going to select MetaMask. We're going to click next and connect. And it's going to say, please connect to the appropriate Mantle network. So if you're not on Mantle testnet, it's going to probably tell you that. And after that, you're going to click on Mantle testnet, and the MetaMask is going to bring this pop-up to switch the network. So you're going to switch to Mantle testnet. And as you can see, the wallet is now connected, and we can see our Beat balance right here. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to do some swaps. So I put 10 worth of Bit, and I selected the Mant as the token to swap to. So I'm going to hit swap, click confirm swap, transaction submitted. You can add Mant token to your MetaMask if you want to, or whatever token you're swapping to. After that, we're going to move on to liquidity tab, and we're going to add liquidity. In my case, I have some Mant tokens, so I'm going to put max, and it should automatically add your Bit token balance, and I'm going to click approve Mant, or whatever token again you swapped it to. Hit confirm, and it's approved. And now I'm going to hit confirm adding liquidity, confirm deposit. I'm going to hit confirm, and transaction submitted. So after you've done this, you can see your position right over here. After that, we're going to move over to pool tab right over here, and we're going to click on this liquidity that we added. We're going to click manage, and we're going to click remove. We're going to enter the amount that we want to remove. We're going to click approve, sign, and we're going to hit remove. After that, we're going to hit confirm, confirm again in your MetaMask, and transaction submitted. And after that, we're done with this protocol. The next one that we're going to go to is fusionx.finance/swap. So we're going to go to FusionX. We're going to click connect wallet right over here. We're going to select MetaMask. I'm going to click next and connect. Again, we're going to swap some tokens. Let's do 50 for FusionX token, I believe. So we're going to hit swap. We're going to click confirm swap and click confirm. And transaction submitted. Again, you can add FSX token to your MetaMask. After we're done with that, we're going to go to liquidity tab. We're going to hit add liquidity, and we're going to choose, in my case, Bit and FSX. So let's do that. Let's do 75%, sure. I'm going to click enable FSX, click confirm, and you're going to click add. And now I'm just going to, I think it's pre-populated for you. And you're just going to click add. You're going to click confirm, hit close, and transaction submitted. And once you go back, you can see that here's your position. So we can click on that. We're going to click remove, and we're going to select the amount of liquidity to remove. Let's say 50%. I'm going to click remove, and we're going to confirm the same in the MetaMask again. And after that, we're done with this protocol. So the next one, we're going to go to dApp.pulsarswap.com, and we're going to go right here. We're going to click connect wallet. We're going to select MetaMask, going to click next and connect. We're going to select the token to swap it to, in this case, wrapped BitDAO token. Sure, that's fine. Going to enter the amount. All right, guys, looks like there's some issue with liquidity for this test app right now for the instant swap as well as for term swap. If eventually you can make it work, then do the same thing. Just select the token, click swap, and after that, go to pool. And once you'll be able to get another token apart from Bit from this protocol, you're going to go to add liquidity, and you're going to add exact amount 50-50 of whatever other token that you'll be able to get. And you'll do the same thing that we did for the other two protocols. It doesn't work at the moment. I'm going to check back on it, but it's pretty straightforward. You're doing the same thing we did with the other two protocols. All right, after that, step number 7 is going to go to complete Zealy tasks and earn points. Zealy is former Crew 3 tasks. Now they are rebranded to Zealy. And what you're going to do, you're going to go through this link. Over here, you're going to click connect, and make sure that you connect Discord, MetaMask, and it's going to ask you as well to connect your Twitter later on. And after you've connected everything, you're just going to go through all these tasks. Most of them are pretty simple, straightforward, and I'm not going to go through all of them in this video because there is many of them. And I don't want to take up all your time going through the simple steps that require you doing like Twitter following or doing a retweet or something, or then getting a Discord role and some other tasks like that. As you can see, they're not complicated. Do as many as you can, the more the better. And after that, you're pretty much done with everything that you needed to do for this airdrop. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more airdrop tutorials. And by the way, my previous video was about Venom Foundation, which is considered among many to be one of the biggest airdrops or potential airdrops that could happen, and that can also be big in terms of blockchain development. So if you want to know how to qualify for that airdrop, you can check out my previous video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you all guys in the next one.